Yo, welcome to Physics with Vinay. I am Vinay and I'm back. So someone sent me this question. Someone sent me this screenshot of this question. It's from the Narayana Grand Test series, and they told me that this question that came in this test paper has been copied word for word from my prediction series question here. The Can Crusher question, it is from the prediction series from season 1. The link is in the description. You can check it out. It's a very nice question that combines EMI and properties of matter. So just check out the link. It can come in use before your JEE Advanced. So someone sent me this screenshot and he asked me if I am upset or I'm angry कि मेरा question direct copy किया है Narayana Institute ने. So सबसे पहले तो before I answer that, सबसे पहले तो one thing that I want to say is that word for word copy किया है, but there is a slight typo in the Narayana question कि यहाँ पे जो लिखा हुआ है the metal can, तो see actual question में जो मैंने लिखा था the metal can be modeled. So metal can is one phrase जो वो metal का can है उसके लिए, और can be modeled मतलब वो तो English वाला can be, समझ में आ रहा है? ठीक है, तो next time when you're copying my questions just make sure कि you copy them correctly. यहाँ पर शायद टाइपिस्ट को लगा होगा कि ये कैन 2 बार आ गया मेरे क्वेश्चन में तो गलत हो गया, टाइप हो गया. एनीवे, ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, आई हैव एब्सोल्युटली नो इश्यूज with my questions coming in the Narayana test series or any other coaching institute ka test series or AITS. I have absolutely no issue. In fact, I'm very happy that students all over India will get access to such high quality questions with high quality concepts that will help them in JEE Advanced. If I have been able to help any student directly or indirectly, whether they are my YouTube subscriber or not, it doesn't matter to me. If I'm able to help them directly or indirectly, then my job is done and I'm a very happy man. तो मुझे कोई issue नहीं है. In fact, I encourage all the big institutes के paper setters, go ahead and look at my prediction series questions, look at my rare series questions and use them in your test papers. I have absolutely no issue. As long as students get the benefit, that is my job. And one small thing that this has shown me कि मेरा channel वैसे तो small है, around say 15-16,000 subscribers है, but फिर भी the big institutes के professors or paper setters, they know who I am or what my channel is about. So they know about my channel and I'm very happy to learn that. So that's it for today. See you at the top. Good night.